When it comes to deploying application, especially in the cloud-native realm, various strategies ensure minimal disruption. And one of the most effective ones is blue-green deployment. Welcome back to Kong. My name is Viktor, and in this video, we're diving deep into blue-green deployment of gateway data planes featuring Kong Gateway Operator. Imagine two worlds. One is blue, representing our new version of the application, and the other is green, our stable current version. Both worlds exist simultaneously, yet users are interacting with only one. Gateway data planes are responsible for forwarding or processing of API requests. With blue-green deployments, we can ensure uninterrupted, smooth traffic management between gateway version migrations. Let's take a look how Gateway Operator helps automate this process. Before we proceed, we need to make sure that you have Kong Gateway Operator installed on your Kubernetes cluster. You can find the link in the description that explains how to install this operator. When I'm observing namespace Kong system, I will find a pod that will have our operator running. Next step is to configure our data plane. I'm going to deploy my proxy server with image Kong Gateway 3.4 connected to control plane that is hosted in Kong Connect using kubectl command. We will deploy this in Kong namespace. In a few seconds, our deployment will stabilize and we can explore services. As soon as our Kubernetes cluster will provide us with external IP address, we will be able to route our traffic to our service. In Kong Connect, I already have my gateway service configured to pointing to HTTP bean that is deployed inside my Kubernetes cluster, and it is attached to CGI bean route. With this external IP address, I will be able to hit this endpoint, and this is the response from Kong Gateway version 3.4. That's our green world. Here, in the green world, everything is running smoothly, and our users are accessing apps via Kong Gateway version 3.4. Meanwhile, on the blue side, we're deploying an update. So let's just say we want to deploy version 3.5, development version, which is release version and general available version coming soon, so we can test it, apply our smoke test, and ensure all our configs are still working with a new version. And all this without disrupting our live green world. Next step is we need to modify our data plane in order to upgrade to a new version. So we're gonna go with 3.5, which is available in developer preview right now. And another thing that we need to modify is rollout. We're gonna use blue-green strategy with break before promotion. This will stop deployment until we'll say explicitly that we want to promote this particular release. In my K9S utility, you will see that we have a previous version of application, so let's deploy a new version. Kong Gateway Operator immediately created another service for our new version of our data plane. This version will have different external IP address, and we will be able to test our service without switching our production traffic to a new version. In a few seconds, we'll get external IP address to confirm that our data plane is connected. We can see that our old version, version 3.4, and our future version, version 3.5, they both connected to our control plane. So this is the new IP address. Just want to show you that we're actually running version 3.5. And if we go to CGI bean /anything, we get a response that will go from version 3.5. In this case, we have two environments, two parallel worlds, blue and green, coexist together. So we can test both versions and make sure our configuration is aligned with the both versions. When confident, we simply flick a switch and manifest the annotation change. And voila, our users now accessing our blue world. Now let's promote our new version. With this, we need to enable special annotation. We annotate our data plane with annotation promote when ready. Since our deployment is already deployed and stabilized, this will immediately promote new version to replace our old version. So when I try to reach old version, I will get the error. So the previous blue version of our deployment is not available anymore. And our old version, that was green version, now serving new version of our application. The world of DevOps is vast and dynamic. Blue-green deployments are just one chapter in this epic saga. Stay tuned for more insights, and until next time, stay cloud native. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more about APIs and cloud native magic. And with this, my name is Viktor, and as always, have a nice day.